Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a cake for New Year's Eve to ring in the new year. So let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. And I pressed a mixture of colorful sprinkles onto the side of the cake. Notice that I first placed a cake pan under the turntable before doing this to keep the sprinkles as under control as possible. And I placed the sprinkles on top of the cake as well. I brushed the excess sprinkles off the cake board. Then I placed some vegan American buttercream in a piping bag with a star tip and piped a shell border along the bottom of the cake. And I piped a star border along the top edge of the cake. Then I rolled out some white fondant and used some cutouts to cut out the year 2022, and I placed it in the middle of the cake. This is a really simple, yet very effective cake for a New Year's Eve. Everybody loves sprinkles, especially for any kind of celebration. Happy New Year! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.